Okay, so for this week's assignment, what you're going to be doing is analyzing 30 seconds of sound from the end of the Guild, season 4. So I've assigned each of you 30 seconds of the Guild in order to create some diversity and to see what everyone can come up with. And so what you'll do is you'll go here to our About menu item and scroll down to the Guild and Sound. Click on that, and what you will find then is this blog post that I have created called The Guild and Sound. Very original. And you'll see the assignment here. This week, each of you will be assigned a 30-second clip, see below, of Season 4 of The Guild. Your mission is to listen to those 30 seconds very carefully and then to list and analyze the effect of the sound. So you're going to be thinking about, how does this sound create mood? How does this sound create a sense of setting, perhaps? Is it diegetic sound? Is it non-diegetic? Is it off-screen? What sort of effect does the sound have on the characters and also on the audience? Does it make the audience feel anxious or etc.? So you need to refer to the terminology on the Yale website and also watch my videos from this week in order to get a good feel for what types of observations can be made on the significance of using different sound techniques in relation to the images that we see. So you will create a page and link it to this blog beside your name. You should aim to write either one large paragraph or two medium-sized paragraphs. This is really going to push you to pay very careful attention to the sound. It's something that usually just flows right past us and we absorb, and we have specific reactions to the sound. But, when you're talking about analyzing sound and then getting ready to incorporate sound into your own video project, you do need to think about how other people use sound very carefully within their projects. So don't forget to post a link to your page on Moodle. To the link on Moodle, along with a short paragraph on what you've learned this week and or any questions you have regarding the subject matter. And good luck! So here you'll see a list of each of your names and the portion of the guild that you've been assigned. So Zachary Allnut has the first hour at 50 seconds. He will then analyze that chunk all the way down to the first hour, first minute, 15 seconds. So I'm going to show you what this means. And of course, this just keeps on going down. Sergey will do the first hour, first minute and 40 seconds to the first hour, second minute and 5 seconds. So say I'm Zach, or Zachary. I'm not sure which he prefers to be called since I've never met him. And what I'll do is I'll go pull up the Guild on YouTube, and I have already taken, the time measure over here to 1 hour and 48 seconds. That's as close as I could get it. There we go. And what I'll do is I've muted the sound for now. I'll just hit play and I will listen or watch the Guild while listening to the sound, and I'll take notes on what different kinds of sound that I'm hearing and how it corresponds with the images that I'm seeing on the screen. And then what you do is you just keep watching until you get to the end of your time, which for Zach is 1 hour, 1 minute, and 15 seconds. So he will stop here, and you can see down here on the time measure that it's 1 hour, 1 minute, 15 seconds. And that's the 30 or 25 second portion of the Guild that he's responsible for analyzing. So he'll go through and talk about what he sees, what he hears, and then write a post on that. Okay? So again, I know I covered some of this in the video, but because you have such a short section of each segment of the Guild, you're going to be forced to pay really close attention to what exactly is happening in those 25 seconds. So nothing is beneath observation. So do pay very close attention and really push yourself to be analytical about what you see in correlation to what you hear. Okay? So I have already updated the syllabus. I've also put the link for the assignment on Moodle, and that's where you will, just as normal, upload a document that has the link to the page you created along with a very short paragraph explaining what you've learned from this assignment and or any questions that you still have about sound or the guild or anything else related to the class. Okay? Good luck!